Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In this video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your login error on your Goat app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. Firstly, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up your playstore app. Once you're on the home page of your playstore app, on the top of your screen, tap on the Search for Apps and Games option. Now type in GOAT and click on the Goat Sneakers and Apparel option that pops up on your screen. In this method, we are checking if your app is updated or not. If your app is updated, two options will pop up on your screen: uninstall and open. If your app is not updated, as you can see on your screen, the uninstall and update option will pop up. If the update option pops up on your screen, go ahead and tap on it. Once your Goat app is completely updated and installed on your phone, that should fix your login error. If that method didn't work for you, don't worry, I've got another method in store for you. First of all, on your phone, open up the settings menu. Once you open up the settings menu, scroll down and find the apps option. In the apps menu, find the manage apps option and tap on it. After the manage apps tab opens up on your phone, on the search option, type in GOAT and click on the Goat app. Once you click on the Goat app option, the app information tab of the Goat app will open up on your phone. On the bottom of your screen, you will see three options: force stop, uninstall and clear data. Go ahead and click on the clear data option. Once you click on the clear data option, two other options will pop up on your screen, which are the clear all data and clear cache. Go ahead and click on the clear cache option and then click on OK. This method will clear all the extra data from your Goat app. If that method also didn't work for you, you can uninstall the app and install it again. I hope this video helped you fix your login error on your Goat app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.